It's another beautiful day in the city of Richmond, Indiana. And today we're going to the farmer's market. Cool.
Low in acidity again, well balanced. This one is the upper range of medium to acidic. I like this flower over here.
In the pool?
Hey, so what do we have here?
Welcome. We're handing out information for the Richmond Civic Theater's upcoming season. As you can see on the banner behind us, we've got a wonderful array of shows this season, including Mamma Mia, which is coming up. We've got some of our cast members, including myself, here at the Richmond Farmers Market.
Wow, I am so excited about the show. So, when are the dates?
August 9th, 10th, 11th, 16th, 17th, and 18th.
Well, guys, thank you so much for explaining Mamma Mia to me and my subscribers.
I was doing the dance
So I found another local YouTuber, Farmer Brad.
Hello. I raise pasture poultry out on grass in movable chicken coops called chicken tractors, and I feed the chickens non-GMO, and one of my goals is to provide healthy chicken options here for the Wayne County area. I also do offer chicken rental packages where people can choose between 3 or 6 month chicken rentals. I provide the chickens, the coops, everything, and then at the end of the time of the rental they can do a buyout option and keep everything. So it's a good way for people to see whether or not chickens are a good fit for them, and then they get fresh eggs in their backyard. So here is the automatic chicken water bucket that I make and sell online. A lot of options out there are like 5-gallon buckets, but they don't refill. I decided, you know, if a bucket refills, it only needs to be 2 gallons. So you hook it up to a garden hose, and then there's a float valve in here, kind of like in the tank in your toilet, how it refills. So it shuts off the water automatically and refills it, keeps that full of water, and then the chickens come here and they peck the water nipples in order to get water.
Nice.
So these are available on farmerbrad.com, and they're $60 free shipping to anywhere in the United States.
Oh, nice. So also while he's at the farmer's market, you can buy this.
Yeah, I have leg quarters, I have chicken gizzards, chicken livers, chicken hearts, chicken wings, skinless boneless chicken breasts, whole chicken cut up, and leg quarters.
But yeah, you can get a lot of stuff here. They have honey. There's another place that has maple syrup. They have all kinds of things going on here at the farmer's market. Ooh, what do we have here? Barbecue, rib tips, chicken sandwich, biscuits and gravy. What's this about?
Hey, how you doing? I'm Cassandra Brown, Pastor Brown, and this is Chippy's Kitchen. Dom. To the people. And pretty much what it is, he's always cooked. He's always loved to cook. I was a behind the scene lover of cooking. Not necessarily, you know, something that I thought about would be my passion, because I actually love preaching. But talking to him, and I've watched him grow over the years, and he's had a dream and he had a vision. he's talked about it. And I believe that when you see a vision and you can hear somebody's passion, my job was just to help. And we've talked. I've had many businesses, but most of all, trust God together. But this is, look at the,
Sure.
the biscuits and gravy's gone. That's sold out.
Of course.
There's some of the tips right there, his famous tips.
Oh, nice. They look good too.
And then,
Okay, you got some
Polish sausage.
Polish sausage. And,
Peppers and red onion. And over here is barbecue
Oh,
chicken
wow.
sandwich with red onion.
that looks amazing.
so, and then the street corn is something that I do. I do the street corn, but so pretty much that's how we collab together, and things are happening. God is blessing. So there's something coming to Richmond. Everybody, you know, just stay tuned. But I'm just able to be able to help Chippy's Kitchen, and the name Chippy Kitchen comes from his grandfather.
Aww.
So it's a legacy. You know what I mean? So, but thank you.
That's
We
amazing.
appreciate you all.
Thank you for the interview.
Yes.
Be looking for us in the future.
So you sell maple syrup. I love maple syrup.
I do. I sell 100% pure Indiana maple syrup.
Oh, this is from Indiana.
It is from Indiana.
I was just glad that you
And I'll
had
tell
it.
you
It
what,
wasn't
we're
rotting
giving
in my
Canada
pan.
a run for their money because we took our syrup into the International Maple Syrup Council to do a contest, and we won a blue ribbon.
Oh, congratulations.
So we are working hard to make it really, really good. So, and it's good. You can taste it. We always have tasters out.
So, let
We
me
have
show you
gift bottles, by the way.
You have what?
We have gift bottles. They're like a tall bottle with a wire bale on the top, and they're available now over at On the Gallery.
Okay.
And then we also, in between the farmers market, our syrup's available at Joe Gollier's Farm Store and also down at McDivitt's Farm Store in Connersville.
Oh, nice.
I don't know what to tell anybody about our syrup. We're Tree Hugger Maple Syrup. I guess I could tell you the story behind the name.
Okay.
Okay. So it's called Tree Hugger because what you do is you hold your hand up and you look to see if there's a tree on both sides. And if there is, it's big enough to tap. Then you have to hug it. And if you can clasp your hands together, you do one tap. If you can't touch, it's two taps. And if it's a two-person hugger, you go to three taps.
Oh, wow. I didn't know
And that's
that.
the name. That's how the old timers used to measure the trees because they didn't have flexible tape measures.
Okay.
Real maple syrup is one of the highest natural sources of magnesium, manganese, calcium, and zinc.
See, I didn't know
Really high
that.
in minerals. Ours is, it's all, I'll show you, each one is dated. You're getting what was happening in the trees that day. So it's
nice.
unblended, small batch. And because of that, you'll get different colors. I don't know if you can see the difference in the colors.
Mm-hmm. One's like an amber and one's really dark.
It's the dark, right. And those colors change day to day as we go through the season. And the drink tonight, I'm making cold brew coffee. And so tomorrow I'm going to make maple almond latte, cold brew latte. And I'm really looking forward to that because it's so refreshing. But my other favorite thing to make this time of year is maple glazed carrots. So
nice.
Carrots are in season. I just chunk them up into large pieces. I do them under the broiler with a little olive oil and salt. And right before they're done, I pull them out, glaze them with the syrup, put them back
wow.
under just enough to caramelize. So good.
Oh, wow.
So
Sounds good.
That's my favorite. I get asked for it at potlucks all the time.
Okay. Well, I'm going to have to get back home. My chicken is trying to thaw out on me. Whew.